Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Iman Fatma from 9daisy. Today I'll tell you some important facts about noise pollution. Noise pollution is defined as any form of pollution that disturbs normal functioning of life. In big cities and urban areas, noise pollution has reached to a dangerous level. In Lahore, pollution has reached to 91 decibels, whereas the maximum 75 decibels is acceptable. It causes many diseases. Agencies require 55 decibels in residential colonies and 75 decibels in commercial areas. The mushroom growth of many colonies near airports and railway stations is also a source of noise pollution. It is a serious issue and people must pay attention to this problem so we would make our country peaceful and quieter place to live in. Here are the images related to the major causes of noise pollution: honking of vehicles, noise of music, noise from other things, noise from industrial work, for example, the grilling and piercing sound coming from the construction site. Effects of noise pollution: it causes serious health issues like stress, discomfort, nuisance, hearing loss, insomnia, restlessness, depression, hypertension, and aggression. Precautions to minimize the noise pollution: avoid unwarranted honking of drivers, ensure smooth traffic flow, speed up construction work to minimize noise pollution, turn off mobile phones when entering the offices, hospitals, etc. People should discourage to speak loudly at public places. Thank you.